Traveling by air is supposed to be smooth, but small packing mistakes can quietly create big problems at airport security. Every bag that passes through the scanner is carefully analyzed, and even harmless items can look suspicious depending on how they are packed. Many travelers don't realize that it's not just what is being carried, but how it is arranged inside the bag that matters most. Security systems are designed to detect irregular patterns, dense objects, and anything that cannot be clearly identified. When something looks unclear, the bag gets flagged, and that leads to delays, questioning, and sometimes even confiscation. This is where most people get frustrated, simply because they didn't know the rules or overlooked small details. This video will break down 10 common packing mistakes that get travelers flagged by TSA and global airport security. Watching this carefully can save time, reduce stress, and make the entire airport experience much smoother. Before getting into the list, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical travel tips that actually make a difference. Let's begin. Secret number 10. Packing too many electronics in one bag. Packing multiple electronic devices in one bag may seem efficient, but it often creates problems during security screening. When laptops, tablets, cameras, chargers, and power banks are stacked or tightly packed together, they form dense clusters that are difficult for X-ray machines to clearly analyze. This lack of clarity immediately draws attention from security personnel, increasing the chances of the bag being flagged for manual inspection and further questioning. Another concern is that certain electronics, especially batteries and power banks, are considered sensitive items due to fire risks. When several of these are packed together, it can raise additional suspicion and lead to more detailed checks. Travelers may even be asked to power on devices to prove they are functional and safe. Keeping electronics organized, separated, and easily accessible helps reduce confusion during scanning and allows the security process to move quickly without unnecessary interruptions or delays. Secret number 9. Carrying liquids that break the rules. Carrying liquids in carry-on luggage is one of the most common reasons travelers get stopped at airport security. The standard rule in most airports allows liquids only in containers of 100 milliliters or less, all placed inside a single transparent, resealable bag. However, many travelers overlook these details and end up packing items that violate these restrictions without realizing it until the moment of screening. A frequent mistake is assuming that partially filled bottles are acceptable. Even if a container holds less liquid, if its capacity exceeds the allowed limit, it will still be flagged and likely confiscated. Another issue is packing liquids loosely throughout the bag instead of grouping them properly, which makes the screening process slower and more complicated. Security officers are trained to strictly enforce these rules, so any violation can lead to delays and inconvenience. Properly organizing liquids before arriving at the airport can prevent unnecessary stress and ensure a smoother experience overall. Secret number 8. Accidentally packing prohibited items. One of the most frustrating situations at airport security is realizing that a prohibited item has been packed by mistake. Everyday objects like scissors, small tools, lighters, or sharp accessories may seem harmless during packing, but they are often restricted in carry-on luggage and immediately flagged during screening. These items usually go unnoticed because they are part of daily routines, especially when bags are packed in a hurry. However, airport security systems are designed to detect even small metallic objects that could pose potential risks. Once detected, the bag is pulled aside, and the traveler may be questioned about the item's purpose. In many cases, these items are confiscated on the spot, which can be inconvenient and sometimes costly if the item is valuable. The situation can also delay the entire screening process, adding unnecessary stress before a flight. Carefully checking luggage before leaving for the airport and understanding restricted items can significantly reduce the chances of being stopped or flagged during security checks. Secret number 7. Overstuffing the bag with too many items. Overpacking is a very common mistake, especially for travelers who want to be prepared for every possible situation. However, Stuffing too many items into a single bag can create complications during airport security screening. When a bag is tightly packed, items overlap and form dense layers that are difficult for X-ray machines to interpret clearly. This lack of visibility often triggers additional inspection because security officers cannot easily identify what is inside. As a result, the bag may be opened and manually checked, which takes time and can disrupt the flow of the screening process. Overstuffed bags also make it harder to quickly remove required items such as electronics or liquids when asked, causing further delays. In busy airports, even a small delay can become stressful and inconvenient. Keeping the bag organized and avoiding unnecessary items not only makes packing easier, but also helps ensure that security checks are completed quickly without drawing unwanted attention or causing avoidable interruptions. Secret number 6. Packing items without proper organization. Poor organization inside a bag is one of the most overlooked reasons travelers get flagged at airport security. Even if all items are allowed, a messy arrangement can create confusion during scanning. When objects are randomly placed, overlapping, or tightly clustered, they can appear suspicious or unclear on X-ray images, leading to further inspection. Security officers rely heavily on clear visuals to quickly identify items. When a bag lacks structure, it becomes harder to distinguish between harmless objects and potential threats. This often results in the bag being pulled aside for manual checking, which can slow down the entire process and create unnecessary stress for the traveler. Disorganized packing also makes it difficult to access items when requested, especially electronics and liquids. This adds more time to the screening process and increases frustration. Using compartments, separating different types of items, and maintaining a clean layout inside the bag can make a significant difference in avoiding delays and ensuring a smooth security experience. Secret number 5. Carrying too many cables and tangled wires. Carrying multiple charging cables, earphones, adapters, and other wired accessories is normal while traveling. But when all of them are thrown together in a tangled mess, it can create serious issues during airport security checks. On an X-ray scanner, a cluster of tangled wires can appear as a dense and confusing mass, making it difficult for security officers to clearly identify each item. This lack of clarity often raises suspicion because unclear shapes are exactly what security systems are designed to flag. As a result, the bag may be pulled aside for a manual inspection, where every cable might need to be separated and checked individually. This not only slows down the process, but also creates unnecessary stress, especially in busy airport environments. Another issue is that certain wires connected to devices may resemble prohibited configurations when viewed on a scanner. This increases the chances of additional questioning. Keeping cables neatly organized using pouches or cable organizers can make a big difference. It allows scanners to clearly detect each item and helps avoid unnecessary delays during screening. Secret number 4. Packing food items without proper awareness. Many travelers like to carry snacks or homemade food while flying, but this can sometimes lead to unexpected problems at airport security. Certain food items, especially those with liquid, gel-like, or dense textures, can appear suspicious on X-ray machines. Items like sauces, spreads, curries, or even some desserts may not be easily distinguishable during scanning. Because of this, security officers may decide to inspect the bag more carefully to ensure there are no restricted substances hidden inside. This can lead to delays and, in some cases, confiscation of the food item, especially if it violates liquid restrictions or international travel regulations. Another factor is that different countries have strict rules regarding food imports. Carrying certain food items without knowing the regulations can create complications not only at departure, but also upon arrival. To avoid these issues, food should be packed carefully, and travelers should be aware of both airport and destination rules. Choosing simple, dry snacks often helps reduce the chances of being flagged during security checks. Secret number 3. Keeping important items deep inside the bag. One of the most common yet overlooked mistakes is placing important items like laptops, liquids, or documents deep inside the bag. During airport security checks, these items often need to be removed quickly for separate screening. When they are buried under layers of clothing or other belongings, it becomes difficult and time-consuming to access them. This delay can disrupt the flow of the security line and may draw unnecessary attention from officers. In some cases, struggling to find required items quickly can lead to additional inspection, as it gives the impression that the bag is disorganized or contains unclear contents. Security systems are designed for efficiency, and travelers are expected to cooperate by presenting required items without delay. Failing to do so can slow down not only the individual, but also everyone in line behind them. Keeping essential items in easily accessible compartments ensures a smoother process. It allows quick removal when needed and helps avoid unnecessary stress, confusion, and potential scrutiny during the screening procedure. Secret number 2. Carrying unusual or suspicious-looking objects. Sometimes, completely harmless items can look unusual or suspicious when viewed through an X-ray scanner. Objects with uncommon shapes, dense materials, or unfamiliar designs can easily trigger security concerns. Items like decorative pieces, unusual gadgets, or oddly shaped souvenirs may not be immediately recognizable on the screen. When security officers cannot clearly identify an object, they are required to investigate further. This often leads to the bag being opened and the item being examined manually. Even though the item may be completely safe, the uncertainty around its appearance is enough to cause delays. In some situations, travelers may also be asked questions about the item's purpose, which can feel uncomfortable and time-consuming. This is especially common when carrying items that are not commonly seen in everyday travel. To minimize this risk, it is always better to pack unusual items in checked luggage or ensure they are clearly visible and easy to explain. Familiar-looking arrangements help security officers process bags quickly and without suspicion. Secret number 1. Ignoring airport security guidelines. Completely. The biggest mistake that leads to being flagged at airport security is simply ignoring the rules altogether. Many travelers assume that guidelines are flexible or not strictly enforced, but in reality, airport security systems operate under very strict protocols. Even a small violation can immediately trigger alerts and lead to delays or penalties. Not checking updated rules before traveling can result in carrying restricted items, exceeding liquid limits, or packing things in ways that are not allowed. This lack of awareness often causes unnecessary stress at the airport, especially when items have to be removed or confiscated at the last moment. Security officers are trained to follow procedures carefully, and they cannot make exceptions based on convenience. This means every traveler is expected to be informed and prepared before arriving at the airport. Taking a few minutes to review airline and airport guidelines can prevent major problems. Proper preparation ensures a smooth, quick, and stress-free experience through security without any unexpected interruptions. Avoiding these common packing mistakes can completely change the airport experience. What usually causes delays, stress, and frustration can easily be prevented with a little awareness and proper organization. The difference between a smooth journey and a stressful one often comes down to these small details. Every traveler wants to move through security quickly and without hassle, and following the right packing habits makes that possible. Keeping things organized, understanding the rules, and preparing in advance can save valuable time and energy before a flight. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more smart travel tips that make every journey easier. More useful content is coming soon, so stay tuned and keep traveling smarter.